Here's how to connect your custom domain to Emergent AI. Let's get to it. So on the homepage, you probably have made the app already. So scroll down under deployed apps, you're going to find your live app. Click on it. So you do need to deploy your app in order to add a custom domain to it. Scroll down in the chat and you're going to find this deploy button. Click on it. And it's going to take like 50 credits per month in order to keep your app deployed and active. Out of that, it will take 2 credits per day. Now on the right hand side, scroll down. You're going to find custom domain here. Click on link domain. And here you can enter your domain. So I'm going to type in this domain that I've got, everygta.com. And you've got 2 options. So you can auto link domain or link manually. So if you click on this auto link domain, it's going to take you over to entry. This window is going to open up. Then you can click on continue. It's going to analyze the domain. It's going to detect the DNS provider. In our case, it's Namecheap. And it's going to get your setup details. So you need to enter in the username and password, and it's going to do it automatically for you. But we are going to go with the manual method. So we're going to unlink the domain and link manually over here. And it's going to give you the steps to link the domain manually. So you need all these DNS records inside your domain provider. So first we go over to Namecheap. This is where I've got this domain from. Here in domain list, I've got everygta.com. On the right hand side, you can click on manage to go inside it. I've been using Namecheap from quite some time now, and I haven't faced any issues till now. You can see that I've got a lot of domains on Namecheap that I've bought, so I do recommend it. There's a link in the description. You can go through that if you want to buy your own domain. Now here, you can click on advanced DNS, scroll down. Under host records, you can click on this add new record, press on this A record in this drop down. Go back to Emergent, host name, copy it, go over here, paste it in the host field, add the rate and the value. Let's take it, copy it from here, go over here in value, paste it. Now press on the save changes on the right hand side. Let's add a new record again, A record. Again, in the host field, I'm going to type in add the rate. Go back to Emergent, in value, we're going to take this second field value, copy it from here, go over here in value, IP address, paste it, and press on this tick mark again on the right hand side to save the changes. Now we add a new record again, and this time let's add a CNAME record. In host field, this is going to be www, this one, and the value. We're going to copy it from here and paste it in the target value section. Now we just press on the save changes again, and that's it. Now we have entered in the DNS details manually in Namecheap. Now we go back to Emergent and we're going to press on this I have added DNS records button. When you do it for the first time, it should take like 2 to 5 minutes in order to link it, but there is a domain propagation time as well. It can take up to 24 hours to propagate, but it should be like 2 to 5 minutes minimum. All right, so it's now linked. It shows over here. Go over to everygta.com. I can see my dashboard of the app that I've created. So that's how to connect a custom domain to Emergent AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Emergent AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.